Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple pong game like this with a computer. So, for those of you who don't know how this works, is that there's a bowl and there's paddles, one that you control and one that the computer controls. You have to try to block it from getting to the other side. So, in this case, this right here is you, okay? And you can control it. So you want to prevent the bowl from getting to the red here. Now, the computer wants to prevent the bowl from getting to the green. And you want to try to get it into the green. Computer wants to try to get it into the red. So you can also make this with 2 players, but a computer, sometimes you don't have somebody to play with you. Yeah. So once we make this, I will show you how to make computers at different levels. But for now, let's just get started. So, first thing we have to do is delete this cat. So now, let's make a pattern. Now it doesn't really matter if you use bitmap or vector because it's just a rectangle. I would normally use vector because it's better graphics, but a rectangle you can't notice the different pixelation. Okay, so now that we have this, I think we're going to make it a little bit thinner, like that. Okay, you can make this paddle pretty much any size you want. So let's go ahead and start the script. So first we want when green flag clicked, which is over here. And we want a forever, and this is a really simple script. We want to go to X, $200, Y, and mouse Y. So now you can control how this goes with your mouse pointer. Okay, before we make anything else, let's go to the stage and edit it. Add some green here. Oops. And now, add some red on this side. Oops. There. Now you see, luckily I put it right where it should be. Okay. So, now for the bowl. I would use vector for the bowl. So we should start by just making a totally black circle. And to make a perfect circle, just hold down the shift key. You don't have sticky keys. I have sticky keys, so I can just click it once. So yeah, and now what I recommend is choose a color. So it could be orange, and then in the other thing, choose the next color up. So I chose blue and slightly lighter blue. Now, take color shade, make sure the lighter blue is on top of the darker blue, and click this circle. Now you see here, this will make it a slightly 3D effect. I'll put it here. So, that's like the light shining on it. Okay, now that that's done, we should script I think it's a little big, so let's just shrink it a bit. Okay. So we want the bowl to start in the middle. So we're going to get a when green flag clicked, go to x0, y0, and we want it to point in direction -45. Okay. Now we're going to take a forever loop. We're going to move 10 steps, and the 10 is the speed of the ball. So if we do move 100 steps, it's going to go super fast. If we do move 1 step, it's going to go super slow. Let's try 1 step. Really slow, right? Okay, I'm going to go with 10. Then we're going to do if and touching color black. Both paddles are going to be black. Oh yeah, turn doesn't really matter what direction. I don't think it does. If I'm wrong, then I can change it. So turn 90 degrees and do a move 10 steps so that it goes. Okay, so now that that's done, oh, forgot something. We also want an if on edge bounce so that it bounces on the edges like that. Now you see here, let's make it like that. Just click the I, click the period, and that'll make it non-rotatable. Now there seems to be a kind of, no, actually everything's going well. Okay. Now for the computer. So let's duplicate this spot thing and do a -200, and actually we need a glide. Okay, to Y. We go to sensing, go down here, we do Y position and sprite 2. And actually I'm going to rename all these. So this should be ball. This is computer. And this is player. Okay, go back. Okay, yeah, of ball. Y position of ball. Okay, and X -200. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and place that. And now here is how you set the difficulty. The glide number here, it says 1 sec. This is going to be really easy. To make it impossible, put a 0 sec. Or you can just do a go to. And it'll always be where the ball is, so it'll catch it no matter what. The higher the number is, the harder it will be, because the slower it'll get to the ball. So if it's glide 5 seconds, which would be a lot, let's just put it here. See? You see, it's trying to follow the ball, but it's doing it really, oops, that's a bug, really slowly. Really? Okay, so I'm going to go with 0.5, which is about a medium level. See? I should fix that. Okay, so let's try making this a 20. Didn't do that in the other one. Okay, I'm not sure of this. I might try to figure it out. Probably will. And you see, so sometimes it misses it and sometimes it doesn't. Actually, this is too easy. Let's do 0.1. It's happening again. Strange. Oh, well now, maybe with a 0.1 it's fixed. Let's see why though. Yeah, so it's doing pretty well, but it can miss it. Here, let's do a 0.3. Try now. Okay, so now let's go to the bowl and add a little more. So, on another one, green flag clicked, another forever, and this time, I'm going to do 2 if. Okay, want to do if touching color red and if touching color green. So now we have to make 2 variables. First one will be computer score. The other one will be player score. So computer score, player score. And at the beginning we want to set both of them to 0. So player score to 0 and computer score to 0. So if it's touching color red, that means the computer's got it into the red. So we want to change computer score by 1. And if it's touching color green, means you got it to the green. Change player score by 1. And let's put a turn 90 degrees. Here. Actually, let's see. I don't think it matters, but this might be what's causing that little glitch. Let's try. Okay, so let's clean it up, and that is pretty much it. So now you see, let's let it touch it, you see, then it changed the computer score by 1, and player score by, well, not yet. Computer's still too fast. Still doing that. Now it's been touching the green, so. Well, I'm not sure, so sorry about that. But that's how you do it. So hope this helped you.